Classic gamer here. Today we're gonna be modding Minecraft version 1.12.2. First things you want to do is go to minecraftforge.net, and you want to go under the. Normally when you go to the page, this is the default page that pops up. You want to click on recommended. The MDK here. Just click on it, wait for the ad, and hit skip. It'll appear up in the right hand corner here. And then just hit save file. I've already downloaded it. Well, I've already downloaded all these. I'm just showing you. On here you want to go to the javaeclipse.org downloads page, and you want to click on here, get Eclipse Oxygen here. Hit download 64-bit. Make sure you have. Pretty sure that most people have 64-bit operating system nowadays. And just hit download. And just download from there. Next you'll want to get the Java JDK, which is right here, this page. You do not want to download the Java 9.0. It will not. If you download this version, you'll have issues trying to just execute the mod itself, the mod pack source code itself. It won't. This version just doesn't work with Minecraft very well. It hasn't been updated to it. You have to download version 8 here, and make sure you click on the JDK version, and just hit accept agreement, and click on the 64-bit or the version of your Windows right here, and just hit save file. Me, I've already downloaded all the files. That's what they would all look like right here. First thing you want to do is, if you have any versions of Java already installed on your computer, you'll actually want to uninstall them. You want to go to you want to go to apps and features, and scroll down and look for the Java here. Sometimes it'll just say Java update or Java runtime. Anything that has this icon, just click on it and hit uninstall. And then you'll want to install the Java JDK. Make sure it fully installs, because sometimes there's a rare chance that you won't get a successfully installed pop-up, that actually means for some reason it doesn't crash, it'll just hang, and the install was not done correctly, and you would actually have to uninstall Java and then restart your computer and then try again. But then you want to install the Java Eclipse, and that's for those. Now you'll want to go to your zip file here and just extract it. What was that? Let me rename it. Okay, and here you want to hold down the shift key and hit open up PowerShell. It'll say command prompt if you have Windows 7 or an older version of Windows 10. You want to type in cmd. You want to type in Gradle set decomp set up decomp workspace. If you're seeing all those skips, it's because you've already done this before. For me, since I've already downloaded older versions of the mod, you're only seeing skipped here. But for you, you want it. But for me, it's just saying I've already done this. Usually it takes longer than that. But since I've already done this previously, that it says it's all up to date. But it usually takes way longer than this. And depending on your internet speed and your processor, it'll take way longer the first time you do this, but anytime afterwards or newer updates, it will take a while. But since I've already done it, it was pretty quick. And then you'll want to type in Untitled Eclipse. This right here is just setting up the Eclipse files. And that usually doesn't take very long at all. And that is all done with that. Now, you'll want to launch Eclipse, which I have right here. You'll want to click in order for where you have to click right here on the Eclipse folder. Click up here and copy this, the directory, and then paste it into here and hit OK. First thing, personally I like to do is setting it up by, I'm going to be setting up Eclipse the way how I like setting it up, which is preferences, appearance, and change it to dark mode. If you like dark mode, this is the way how you activate it. For me, I use a special font coloring, which is, I have to import it. Change this to horizontal. Whenever you have the option right here to change your, this right here is the default setup, which is under, I just go under Eclipse, go under source, main, and then hit Java. Right here is where you want to put like your mod name. This right here is your mod name. I would just suggest create a new folder and you're going to put mod. I'm going to go in here where it shows the example mod. I'm going to actually rename this to my mod here. I'm going to cut it. Go to the Java main section, go here and paste in here. And then I just delete the other folders. There's a couple of folders you want to create in here. You could normally do this by doing right clicking and hitting new and package, but I think it's a little more finicky doing it that way. I prefer doing it this way. Just remember, every time you create a new folder, it has to be lowercase. all the folders have to be lowercase. So what I'm gonna do is proxies. Copy that and paste it in here. Let's see. Copy that. This is my default setup, how I normally start a mod. If this hasn't updated on the side, just right click and hit refresh or F5. For me, and you can see I've already gotten an error here because of renaming it, this file. So all I have to do is hit change this and hit rename to type to my mod. I'm not going to be messing with this very much for right now. Just hit save all and all the errors will go away. And we can see if I launch Minecraft. I go under mods. Because I didn't change anything in this folder, it's called example mod still. But this is the mod that we're going to be configuring. So, just going to hit quit game. And that's it for now. In the next video, we're going to be working on the proxies here. And we're going to get... And that's it for this video. See you next time.